I can't wait to see what farm life is like.
I'm so excited. This is my first time going to a farm.
The air smells so different out here, so fresh.
Look out the window. The mountains are so beautiful.
Do you think we'll see animals?
I wonder what we'll do there. I hope it's not too difficult.
I hope we get to try some farm fresh vegetables. Look, there's the village. We're here.
Welcome, girls. Thank you for coming to help.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
We're here to help.
You're both so young and full of energy.
Your village is so peaceful and beautiful. What would you like us to do first?
Follow me to the pepper field. We have lots of work to do.
We'll do our best. These peppers are so red and shiny.
Wait, there are so many peppers. Okay, let's start picking. This will be easy.
This is actually pretty fun. Wait, I'm getting tired already.
My hands are getting tired. This is harder than I expected.
My back is starting to hurt. How much longer do we have to work?
My legs hurt from standing so long.
I didn't realize farming was this hard.
I need to sit down for a minute.
Here, eat this watermelon.
Oh, watermelon. Thank you so much.
This is exactly what we needed.
Rest for a bit, then we'll finish the last section.
This is so sweet and refreshing.
This is exactly what we needed.
I feel much better now. Let's keep working. We're doing pretty well now.
Good. We're almost finished now.
Okay, I'm ready to work again. Let's finish these last few rows.
Oh no, I knocked over the basket.
It's okay. Accidents happen. Don't worry, we can pick them up together. See? We fixed it.
Thank you for helping me pick them up.
No problem.
I'll be more careful this time.
Good. We're almost finished now. You must be very hungry.
I am very hungry. Wow, look at all this food.
This is so much food. You didn't have to prepare all of this. Can I try everything? It all looks amazing.
Eat as much as you want. I made plenty.
Wow, look at all this food.
These vegetables are so fresh.
Everything looks so delicious.
All these vegetables came from my garden. More rice? Have some more vegetables.
The food was so delicious. Thank you for the meal. I'm completely full. Thank you for the amazing meal.
Here, take these peppers and corn home. Thank you for all your help today.
Goodbye, Grandma. Thank you for everything. We had a wonderful time here.
I understand now why farming is so important.
I'll never forget this experience. I am so tired, but it was a good day. Me too. The village was so beautiful. Grandma was so kind. Look, the sun is setting. It's so pretty. You can sleep on my shoulder. Thank you, Jina. You are a good friend.